Lutron Caseta Single Pole. The Lutron Caseta Single Pole is a highly efficient and reliable product that offers exceptional performance for a wide range of applications. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, I can confidently say that this product stands out in terms of quality and functionality. One of the key features of the Lutron Caseta Single Pole is its operation mode, which allows for easy on-off-on control. This gives users flexibility in managing their devices or appliances with just a simple flip of a switch. Whether you want to turn something on, off, or toggle between different settings, this product delivers a seamless operation experience. With a current rating of 0.83 amps, the Lutron Caseta Single Pole is designed to handle various electrical loads without any issues. This makes it suitable for both residential and commercial applications, providing a reliable and stable performance to meet diverse needs.